Nice one, cool dudes. It is January, and as you might be able to tell by my attire, it is freezing cold. It's supposed to be about 0 degrees, but it feels like -1 or worse with a northeasterly wind. It's too cold to go on a long walk, so instead I'm going to do the shortest walk possible, a walk the length of Bembridge Lifeboat Pier. And it's not going to be boring, no, because I'm going to be asking you 7 questions along the way. So get your pens and paper out and see how many you can get right are the multiple choice answers about the history of Bembridge Lifeboat. And also, for a bonus point, how long do you think it will take me to walk there and back? I'm going to set my timer now. All right, good luck everyone, especially me. Oh no, look at all the pigeons. Look, my worst nightmare. Pigeons everywhere, disgusting. Question 1, cool dudes. There's been a lifeboat pier here since when? A, 1867, B, 1887, C, 1907. Question 2. Back in February 1916, the SS Empress Queen became stranded in the thick fog and foul weather just off Forelands, over there somewhere. There were 1,300 troops on board as a destroyer was used to take the troops off, but the crew stayed aboard the ship. All 110 of them were rescued by the Bembridge Lifeboat crew. But the question is, cool dudes, what animals did the Bembridge Lifeboat crew save? Was it A, the ship's parrot, B, the ship's cat and dog, or C, the ship's half-shaved monkey? Answers below. The pigeons are there just to mock me. Question 3, true or false? In the summer of 1989, my best friend jumped off the pier and landed so hard that now he's got 1 testicle and 2 Adam's apples. Question 4. It is now January the 10th and already there have been 3 launches from the lifeboat station. But how many were there in 2023? A, 37, B, 57, or C, 87? Question 5, true or false? Every summer there's a snail race the length of the pier, and the winner becomes the head of the Isle of Wight Council. When I was a kid, the lifeboat pier looked like this, but it was redeveloped in 2010. But how much did the development cost? Was it A, 7,650,000, B, 9,430,000, or C, 12.5 million? Right, question 7. What is the name of the current lifeboat? A, Alfred Albert Williams, B, William Albert Williams, or C, Prince Albert John Thomas? That is all the questions, my friends. I'm about to finish. That took me 5 minutes and 14 seconds. So if you're 15 seconds either side of that, then you can get a bonus point. But what were the answers to the questions, cool dudes? I'll tell you. There's been a lifeboat pier here since 1867, so it's A. Question 2. The animals that were saved were a cat and a dog. B. Question 3 is false. That didn't happen to my friend when he jumped off the pier. Question 4 is C. There were 87 launches in 2023. The snail thing, question 5, is false. Question 6. It cost $7,650,000 to redevelop the boathouse and pier. And question 7. The current lifeboat name is Alfred Albert Williams, not Prince Albert John Thomas. All right, cool dudes. I'm off to the shop to get something for the prize draw. If you would like to donate to Bembridge Lifeboat RNLI, you can do on the Just Giving link below. What a good thing to do for the start of the year. All right, that's about it. Prize draw for all the members coming up next. And if you want to join the club, you watch this video up here with instructions of how to do it and what you get. Nice one. If you're interested in the history of Bembridge Lifeboat Station, you can buy this book by Martin Woodward, the former coxswain of the Bembridge Lifeboat Station. It's absolutely brilliant. It's so well written, and it's got photos of Bembridge Lifeboat throughout the years and all the stories like the SS Empress Queen and other rescues. I think it's only about £9 from the RNLI shop, which is open most days. Thoroughly recommend getting that, cool dudes. Oh yes, I love it. I love the look of the painting. I want it. I want it instead of hair. It can be yours now. This is now available on eBay. The starting price. Let's go low. £2, 22 pence for this original framed painting in gouache, if that's how you pronounce it. All right, cool dudes. Let's get straight into the prize draw. Currently, there are 466 excellent people who are members on YouTube and support me making these walking videos. So, you're all in the prize draw for these prizes. 2 cards from Stripey Art, a tea towel I bought from the RNLI shop, the stickers, a keyring from Cow's Laser, a sketchbook, and a sou'wester Marek keyring. Pretty good prize if I don't say so myself, but I do say so myself, so I do say so. Random number generator. Generate me a number. Generate 14. Excellent. A very loyal servant of the club. This member has been a member for 37 months. It is John B. Excellent. John, this cool stuff will be on its way to you. Thanks everyone for helping me out. I forgot to stay cool at the end of the last bit. So, 3, 2, 1, everyone, stay cool.